Teacher, may I have some water, please? Hi, I'm teacher Robert with English Gang, and today we're going to talk about good accents with the English language. Now, many words have two syllables. Syllables are beats in the word. For example, water, teacher. With syllables in the English language, you want to go from high to low most of the time. So for example, teacher, teacher. Good. Water, water. Good. In Thailand, a lot of people like to start going low up to high. Teacher. But we don't want to do that. We want to make sure we start high to low. And you can practice this by using the simple question that people hear in classrooms all the time. Teacher, may I have some water, please? Teacher, may I have some water, please? So practice that at home. Keep going over and over again and again. And it just needs practice for about maybe 2 weeks. And then it won't feel weird, I promise. So keep on working on your English accent and we'll get better and better together. Have a great day and we'll see you again in English Gang.